Hello, everyone, and welcome back to day 9 of the 100 Days of Code Challenge. Today, the focus is on dictionaries in Python, nesting, and at the end, we will create a silent auction game. In front of me, I have the first exercise of the day, 9.1. Let's read the instructions together. You have access to a database of student scores in the format of a dictionary. The keys in student scores are the names of the students and the values are the exam scores. Write a program that converts the scores to grades. By the end of your program, you should have a new dictionary called student grades. That should contain student names for keys and their grades for values. The final version of the student grades dictionary will be checked. Do not modify lines 1 to 7 to change the existing student dictionary's code, student scores dictionary. Do not write any print statements. This is the scoring criteria. Scores 91 to 100, grade equal outstanding, 81 to 90 equals exceeds expectation, 71 to 80 equal acceptable, and grade 70 or lower equal a fail. Okay. Expected output, Harry exceeds expectation, run acceptable, Hermione. Oh, it's Harry characters. Okay. Okay, remember that looping through a dictionary will only give you the keys and not the values. If in doubt as to why your code is not doing what you expected, you can always print out the intermediate values. At the end of your program, the print statement will show the final student scores. Not just, okay, perfect. Without further ado, let's get started. Student scores up there, I'm just run it. Yeah, I don't expect anything to happen. Print student grades. To do one, okay, create an int dictionary called student scores. Student grades. Student underscore grades. And I'm assuming, since dictionaries are created like this would be an empty dictionary. To write your code below to add grades to student grades. Python add to dictionary. Oh, how can I add new keys to dictionary? D equals key dot d value, print D. Okay, D my new key equal my new value, print D. Okay, so I just need to do the variable bracket equals something, then that will equal it. Okay, let me copy this so I can give it a tick. Bum, 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 bum. Key value. Okay. Student underscore grades. Open dictionary. Harry. Okay. What's the example output? Exceeds expectations. So I need the value. Python dictionary add to value. Okay, so I can say something like Harry equals exceeds expectations. Let me try that. Print. Okay. Okay. Student scores. Yeah, okay. Probably incorrect. I'll create a for loop for student in student underscores student grades in student scores print student. Let me try that actually. Students. Wait, why did that work? Why did this work? Oh, yeah. What did it say? Remember, the looping through a dictionary will only give you the keys and not the values. So when I loop this, I'm getting the left-hand side. That's why it's working. Okay. And then let me just delete this now. Score equals student underscore scores student. Okay. Score equals student underscore scores with the index of student. Student being the left side. I'll try this. Okay. If score is greater than let's say 90, print outstanding. I should wait. Student underscore grades, student, and then equals outstanding. And then let's do the same for, let me print this actually. Harmonious, outstanding, perfect. Okay, so I said for student, student scores. Yeah. Score equals student scores. Okay. Elif score greater than 80. Student underscore grades. Student equals exceed expectations. elif score greater than 70, student underscore grades, student acceptable. And then else at the end. Uh, else is, you can just say student grades actually. Student underscore grades, student equals fail. So that seems to work. Harry run acceptable. Is he though? Yeah, he's no. Yes, 28. Yeah, he falls in there. Okay. So I'm just student grades because empty starts out at 0. And I said in the loop student scores, student score equals student scores. Uh, okay. So that concludes exercise 1 of the day. Let's move on to the next exercise. Welcome back to the second exercise of the day, 9.2. I need to write a program that adds travel underscore log. You can see travel log, which is a list that contains 2 dictionaries. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so some heavy nesting going on here. Travel log, so that's a list that stops here. And then we have dictionary, started there. And then we have another dictionary there. So we have 2 dictionaries inside of a list. For in the dictionaries themselves, we have a key which also has a list. Okay. Write the function to allow new countries to be added to the travel. Okay. Sorry. Where am I? There we go. Write a function blah blah blah. Add a line of code on line 21 to add the entry for Russia. So add underscore new entry country Russia to Moscow, St. Petersburg. You visited Russia 2 times. You've been to Moscow or St. Petersburg. Don't modify travel log. Directly you need to create function. Look at the function call above to see what the name of function should be. Okay, add new country is the name of the function. The input for the function are position arguments. The order is very important. Feel free to choose your own parameter names. Okay, so this is how I'm going to call the function. But let's write the function itself. So add underscore new country. I think I forgot how to declare function. Declare function pattern. Def my function. Yep. A new country. I need some brackets there. Country visits. Allow new countries to be added to the country flag. So do I So the first one is country, visits, then cities, perhaps. Okay. Okay. Then intent correctly.
For the tests to go through.
So it'll be so I need the travelogue. Print travel. Let me see what this does. Okay, that seems to be alright. New underscore country equals and let's call it dictionary, so it's going to be key value pair. And then new underscore country equals country equals country underscore visited. Country, new country equals this one. Let me just then we have visits, cities, and these are meant to be okay. So new country equals dictionary, and a new country. There's country equals country. Okay. Okay, let me try the travelogue. What's I looking for? Add list to dictionary. Okay. Append new underscore country. Add new country. Put in Russia. Okay. So that seems to have worked. Perfect. So that wraps up exercise 9.2. I believe the next part is now a start now. Okay, question one. Which line of code would change the starting dictionary to the final dictionary? Okay, I'm trying to make this into this. Okay, all of them find a dictionary equals. Uh, hmm, that's a very good question. Uh, okay, so the only difference is one has a 7, so it would have to be a append, please. Oh no. Okay, append is only used for adding lists, not dictionaries. Okay, so I got those two confused. Okay. So that's only for square brackets, not curly brackets. Append is square bracket. Okay. Dictionaries. Okay, in that case, it has to be the equal. C equals. This one has to be this one. Has to be. Yeah, has to be. What? This was a find dictionary into an integer. Oh, I changed the whole thing into 7. No, it's just C. Okay, so this one. I know it seems like I'm guessing, but that's actually a system to it. Okay, so key is C, value is 7. That's a dictionary. No way. And the relation come after an equal sign. Yeah, but that's the only equal sign. Oh, down here. That's equals 7. I didn't even see this answer. Look, focus on the red ones. I knew it had to be an equal sign. Which line of code will produce an error? Dictionary A, key, value, key, blah, blah, blah. Dict C equals that. For key in dict key plus equals 1. That should work. Dict 1 equals 4. Has to be this one. Not pretty narrow. For key in dict key plus equals 1. So if this is fine, this should also be fine. I know we can equal a list, but whether this is correctly declared on the left side. Actually, this one is this giving me the keys from here on the left hand side? If it's giving me the keys, you can't add a 1 to a string. Integers to string. Okay, maybe this. What? So has to be this one then. Oh no. Okay, I forgot this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, definitely. There is no key that matches one. Secure. Which line of code will print steak? Order. Steak. Order. Main. Okay. 0, 1. Print order. Main 2. This is 0, 1, 2, 0. 2. 2 accesses the value with key 2. And 0 gets the first item on the list. So this gets the 2 key. And value is 0 from there. Okay, yeah, I had to guess this one. Okay, feels like I need to. I'm not ready for this. What you should review. Which line? Okay, yeah. What I'll do is I will revisit today's module and then have another stab at it when I'm more proficient in this this topic of the day, dictionary list and nesting. Yeah, my head is all over the place at the moment. I'm going to do some more extensive reading onto this and then continue. But I will not burden you guys with watching me do this again. So I'll move forward.